Hey guys, Game Dev Dave here. Here's a quick tutorial on how to install and set up Unity. First we download the Unity Hub. When that's done, we go through the installation process. After that, let's go to Installs and click on Install Editor. We're installing the 2020 version LTS. LTS stands for Long-Term Support. We can select Android if we want to make an Android mobile game. Apple iOS is there too, next to other platforms. After the installation, you gotta restart your PC. When we're back, let's start Unity Hub back up again, and click on Projects and New Project. In here, we can select what kind of Unity project we want. I'm picking 2D for this tutorial. Over here, you can give it a name, and when you're ready, click on Create Project. Let's do a test to see if everything's working. First, we gotta check the settings. Click on Edit, and then Preferences. Visual Studio Code should be selected here. This connects your script editor to Unity. Let's create a script. Right-click in your project folder and go to Create and click on C# script. Give it a name and double-click it. Visual Studio Code will now start up. If you still have to make an account, you can do that by clicking here. For the development settings, we select Visual C# and the theme of your liking, and then we hit Start. In Visual Studio, we can find the same script that we just made. We're in a C# project, but now our script editor also understands Unity code. If we type in some Unity script such as transform, for example, we can see a box pop up that gives us information. This is super handy and exactly why you want your script editor to be linked to Unity. So that's it, now you're ready to make your own game. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.